In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit DNS on Hostgator hosting. Whether you are setting up a new website or updating an existing one, learning how to manage your DNS settings is a valuable skill. DNS helps your domain connect to the correct server and ensures your site loads properly, so understanding how to adjust these records will make managing your website much easier. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Hostgator website. On the top right corner of the homepage, you will see the sign and button. Click it and enter your login details. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your Hostgator dashboard, which gives you access to all your hosting tools and domain options. From the dashboard, look for the section labeled Domains. Click on it to continue. This page lists all the domains linked to your account, so take a moment to find the domain you want to work with. When you locate it, click on the Settings button next to that domain. This will open a dedicated area where you can manage different technical features. Inside the settings page, you will see an option called Advanced Tools. Click on it, and from there, select Advanced DNS Records. This section contains all the records that guide your domain to the right services. You will notice different types of DNS records here. Records point your domain to the hosting server. CNAME records help direct subdomains. MX records manage your email delivery. TXT records usually help verify external services or security tools. Once you are in the Advanced DNS Records section, click the Manage button. This is where you can edit, add, or remove DNS records based on what your website needs. If you want to add a new record, simply enter the correct name, type, and value. If you are editing an existing record, update the information carefully. Always double check your entries before saving them, because even one small mistake can temporarily disrupt your website or email service. After you finish making your changes, click Continue to save everything. Hostgator will then show you a full overview of your DNS records. This is a good moment to review that all the details are accurate. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to spread across the internet, so your updates might not take effect immediately. Waiting a little while is completely normal. And that is it. You have now learned how to edit DNS settings on Hostgator hosting. Understanding this process gives you more control over how your website functions and helps you troubleshoot issues when needed. Keeping your DNS records organized and updated makes sure your website stays reliable and loads correctly for your visitors. If you continue maintaining these settings over time, you will keep your website running smoothly and efficiently.